Hello YouTube, just test fitting the isolators on the springs. I bought these to reduce the noise. When you put these new springs on, they'll have these rubber isolators on the top control arm, and they're usually worn out. Now some people just put the springs in without the rubber isolators, and it will make a bunch of noise. It'll squeal, it'll bang. So the best thing to do is to replace these. So I'm just going to check to see if they fit. These are the stock ones. As you can see here. It fits. And this goes right in the top control arm. The bottom doesn't have a control arm. It has like a little notch in the lower control arm, which this fit into. And the rubber isolator fits in the top. I only need 2 of these. One for each spring, so 1, 2. They're made by Moog, and these are only, I think, $3 each. So that takes care of that. Let's check the other control arms. The other springs. These are the rear lowering springs, the Moogs that I put on here. I'm going to lower the rear with. These take smaller isolators than the front ones. As you can see right here, he takes these, and he's just basically right there on top. You got 1 on each end. 1. And 1 there. I made a mistake. I thought these only going to take 1 per side. On this one, you got to have them on the top and the lower part of the springs. And I only bought 2 of them. So that means I'm about to buy 2 more. Outside of that, that's it. I'm about ready to put everything together. I just got to order 2 more of these isolators. I got to put some money together and pay for the shop to do all the work. And we'll be done soon. Until next video, I'll see you.